Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches, and my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com. There will be a link to that website in the description box below this video. Now today I am going to show you a demonstration video for a product which is called VideoLeadsMachine. Now this product launched just a few days ago on the 1st of November, and it's in the launch period until the 5th of November, but it will still be available after the launch period. The price might be a little different, but we've got until midnight on the 5th of November to catch this product through the launch period, and also get the bonuses that are available through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. Now, so what I want to do is, like I say, we'll have a look at the demo video first, and then we can go over and have a look at the sales page that I have for you with the bonuses that are available. If you decide to pick up this product, VideoLeadsMachine, through my link.
Welcome to VideoLeadsMachine behind the scenes and showing you how we make these amazing videos. Now inside VideoLeadsMachine, there's an entire course step by step teaching every single buyer how to position themselves as a marketplace leader and create the authority, create the expertise as if they were an industry expert or a celebrity in the actual industry. And these videos can actually pre-sell their products and services, so it makes it incredibly easy for them to sell any type of product or any type of service. Now, hopefully you've already seen one of these videos, and now we're going to show you our secret sauce and how we actually make them. So we're not just going to teach them how to do it, we're going to give them an exclusive software that does it automatically for them. So the first thing they're going to do is they're going to take a selfie and upload a headshot. So click browse, upload their selfie, and you can see here we've got this little outline. And if you put the outline just over your face, it's going to be perfect. And click crop, and you can see it already looks like they're being interviewed on a show. So next thing we're going to do is click create video, and then you can see everything that they put in here is going to show up on the right hand side. So you can see kind of a preview of what it's going to look like. So now they put all their information in, you click next, and what we've done is we're getting them the scripts that they need. And all they have to do is read the script and record the audio. Now once they got the audio, it's simply going to upload the audio file. And it just takes a few seconds to upload. Once it uploads, what we're going to do is we're going to match the sound of the actual spokesmodel with them, so they can play it and listen to it and see if they need to increase the volume or not. And then they click edit file. And what's going to happen is we've got a built-in video editor for them. And we make it so easy because we've developed a process and a formula for creating these videos. And look at the formula. We show an expert image, then an industry image, then a tip 1, 2, 3, industry image, and then an expert image at the end. You cannot mess this up. So we simply ask them, hey, put an industry image in. So they go to images, they go to the gallery, upload their own, or select one we've got from the gallery already. And then we've got dimmers and blurs, all kinds of cool effects, but then we put in tip number 1. And we can even put a background image for this tip. So if we want to go down, we want to search for wall, so put a cool wall in here. And then we can put our text in. So tip number 1, you can see on the right hand side, is to buy VideoLeadsMachine. Then we go to tip number 2. We do the exact same thing. But instead of putting just images, we can actually do video as well. So we put some cool video in the background, and we can actually select that. So now that we've selected it, it goes in the background here, and we can still do another tip. So tip number 2 is buy all the upsells. Then the tip number 3, the exact same thing. So you can see how easy this is. And then we're going to put this all together, the intros, the outros, the spokesmodel, the music, all the cutting, all the effects, the primetime graphics and animation. So they're going to do this, and then they click send a schedule, and then they're going to schedule the video, and then it's actually can be connected to their Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and it's all syndicated. So they're going to choose the time that they want to do it and a date, and it's done. So they can do these videos over and over and over again. And this is another reason why they want to buy the unlimited OTO, because they can make these videos for all kinds of different niches, and they can SEO optimize them so they can rank and they can also syndicate throughout social media. So AuthorityVids is the perfect tool for creating these expert videos that position every single one of your buyers as an expert in the industry, and that's going to give them the confidence, the clarity to be able to go out and make money online. And that means you're going to make money with your products and services, the ones you're selling. They're going to make more money and come back and buy more products from you. So that's why we're so excited about VideoLeadsMachine, be able to create these amazing videos that position everybody as an expert and authority in the industry. And that's why your buyers are going to have so much success with it. That's why we believe this is going to make you a lot of money. So we can't wait to launch with you.
Okay, so here we are on my page for VideoLeadsMachine, and the first page is the sales page, and you have a video from Ted Gross, who is behind this particular product, this software, this digital product, and he introduces the concept of VideoLeadsMachine, because what it does is it gives you the authority within the video software, because it shows you as someone who can talk about the niche, the offer, or your business, whatever it is, within a simple system that is within this digital software and in its format to create videos, because it's template system. So Ted Gross actually walks you through that, and obviously takes you step by step through that. The software's got videos and training within the whole product. So these are the two people behind this particular product, like I say, Ted Gross and David Spreck. And this, if we can just scroll down, is VideoLeadsMachine, because having authority and marketing through videos is a very popular medium, and it reaches more people. Videos within different social media platforms, videos on your website. I mean, video is a great medium to reach people, give them information, let them see what you are selling, let them see all of the products, the services that you can give them. And it's obviously one of the ways that you can reach your customers, especially now in this after the pandemic, and video is a way to go. I mean, the popularity of products like Zoom, where people would be meeting face to face, going to hotels, they don't do that now. There's it's basically over the internet, and meetings are held via electronic means, Zoom and video conferencing. So this is just a similar type of thing. So this VideoLeadsMachine is going to tackle the problem, no matter what niche you're in. You get authority videos from this unique software. And so that is what's included in it. So it's like a TED Talk style video templates that you would get within this software, which is going to give you instant authority. So there is some samples. Now, if you click through the first link in the description box below, you can take a look at these examples. And we've already had the demo, the walkthrough, and the demo of how it actually can get set up. So let's have a look at some of the bonuses that are available when you pick up this product. So this is what's included in the software. You've got your lead, module 1, your lead conversion strategy, module 2, your video conversion strategy, module 3, your authority video formula, and module 4, video lead marketing. So obviously it takes you through all of that. And these are some testimonials. And with your purchase, if you decide to pick up VideoLeadsMachine, you're going to get these valuable bonus worth over $2,500. So bonus 1 is how to show your authority in an email. So immediately establish authority in your emails, capture your prospective clients' attention, insert your new authority grabbing videos in your emails with flashy email, and grab the reader's attention and the ultimate click. So that's a step-by-step how to add gifts to an email and help you to gain more traction in your lead generation campaign. So that's bonus 1. And bonus 2, if you pick this product up, is Todd's handbrake tricks. Basically, video files are too large to use and you can't add them due to restrictions on file size. Well, this is a product which is going to help you with that issue. To optimize all of your videos. So that is this simple to use free software on bonus 2. Bonus 3, free advertising credits worth $500. So this bonus is going to get you some free advertising credits worth $500 for all your advertising needs. Google, LinkedIn, Bing ads, Yelp, TikTok, Apple search ads and Amazon ads. So this is bonus number 3. Now bonus number 4 is 300 logo templates in the top 20 niches. So these logo templates will help you to create your own eye-catching logos. Included are RDW, PSDs and JPEG files to get you started. Bonus number 5 is Todd's voice training. So the voice training, he discusses how he brought his knowledge from his 30 years of broadcasting over to internet marketing and how the two married very well. So he notes the importance of speaking with authority and familiarity in the marketing and selling. It's not usually discussed with speech training, but he does that here and along with a number of other things. So that's bonus number 5, guys. Bonus number 6 is the Logo Creator app. Create pixel perfect logos for your clients' business within seconds. Simply enter the name of the business, choose from 1,000 variations, then download the high quality version of your logo with the vector files. It's that easy. That's bonus number 6. Bonus number 7, how to make money on Fiverr. Now, I think everybody's heard of Fiverr by now, so now you can harness the power of freelancing sites such as Fiverr with this detailed step-by-step training course that will take you hand in hand, show you how you can start profiting from selling services. And if you've tried and failed in the past, or you've got no clue how to get started, then this course is all that you need to master the art of selling on Fiverr. So these are the bonuses that are available when if you decide to pick up VideoLeadsMachine, and the link will be in the description box, the first link in the description box below this video. So that is all I have for now about VideoLeadsMachine. Now if you like these review videos, give them a thumbs up, comment below and subscribe to the channel. If you want to be notified of when I upload another video, then hit that subscribe bell as well. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.